Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, August the 2nd, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars, and well, it's not the 4 stars. It's a 1 star. Well, and two puzzles are left: the binary and tectonic. But it's now binary time. Yes. Binary time, and this binary will be number 4950. 4950. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Number 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Okay. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Let me think. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So those two boxes should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. Wow. And now, let me see. Do I need to compare? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I need to compare. Cannot compare this column and this column. I cannot compare this row. Double 1. Yeah. The first and the fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. Yeah. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, 1, 1. Empty box. Oh. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 3 minutes. Wow, this one is a quick one to solve. Wow. If I compare with yesterday's binary, I have a lot of troubles yesterday, but in 3 minutes, should be an easy one. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.